Last and final question. 500 points. So, find this little box somewhere in this video or another video, maybe in one of the answers right here. Click on it before. Thank you, Louie. Before it shut down, and tell me your highest score. Only 3 people will get in. So, good luck. So, here's the last, final question. Are Angry Birds in or candy? Pick right here. No. Pick right here. No. No. Pick it. Pick the question. There it is. Do you see it? Of course you didn't. It's not there. Pick the right question. Pick it.